how to hit your first 100 subscribers in 2025 on YouTube. Yes, this stop on 0 to 50 subscribers. Let me first start for you. Just in this video, I will show you exactly how to hit your first 100 subscribers on YouTube in 2025, even as a brand new creator. Yes, these are the same strategies that helps me grow. No tricks, no game. Just proven steps that works if you apply them consistently. Yes. The first one is tell everyone you know. Oh, how do I tell everyone I know? Tell family, tell friends. WhatsApp group, IG story. Post it on your IG story. Tell everyone you know that yes, I have started YouTube channel. Oh. See you, come and subscribe. Because your first 20 to 30 subscribers should come from within your circle, your friends, your hello, your hi, your family. Yes, you should gain those from your circle. Focus on searchable content. Yes, focus on searchable content. Make videos people are searching for. Use keywords, hashtags like how to start channel, YouTube tips, or video ideas in 2025. Use keywords people are searching for to post to upload your video. Then post consistently. Very this is one secret so many people don't know. If even if one video a week helps, yes, the algorithm the algorithm notice when you are active, and they rewards you with more impressions. This is the algorithm for you. You notice when you are constantly active, and it rewards you with more impression. Yes. Tip 4. Use catchy thumbnails and title. People are not clicking on boring title, so use catchy one. Make it bold, simple. Make your thumbnail bold and simple. Yes, match it with your catchy title. A very strong one. Curiosity drive title. The fifth one is engage with your viewers. As a as a beginner, you have to, even as a big creator, you have to engage with your viewers. Reply comments, pin one of your own that looks like you're asking a question, or you are suggesting, or you are asking people to suggest something on that video. Then you will see the engagement. Your engagement will increase because people will come, comment, ask questions, and you answer them. At the end of each video, ask questions. It builds your engagement, it builds loyalty fast. That is it. Then YouTube short are still subscriber magnet very fast. Even if one shot gets 1K view, that's an instant reach for your long form video. Action. Don't overthink it. Take action. Focus on connection, consistency, and content people are searching for. Content people needs. It's your first 100 subscribers faster than you think. Yes. Like, comment first, like, comment first 100 club, and subscribe if you are serious about going on YouTube. Yes. So this is it. Subscribe. Watch how to upload your YouTube the right way in 2025. Watch how to be the YouTube algorithm in 2025. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I still remain your girl monetized with IB. See you in my next video. Thank you.